We are here in Wilmington, North Carolina, where I have made pilgrimage to a place where movie magic was made many years ago. Right behind me is the Ideal Cement Factory, a long-abandoned cement plant that once was used to film such feature films and popcorn classics as the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie, where you could see Shredder train his young Foot Clan ninjas, as well as The Crow, Muppets in Space, and my personal favorite, the Super Mario Brothers film, where Dino Hatton was made, where John Leguizamo and Bob Hoskins infamously were drunk on set. It was legendary filmmaking, and we are, just honored to be surrounded by such movie history.